I want to introduce you to 4 tools that I use on an everyday basis. These 4 tools are phenomenal to keep me away from injury and also increase my flexibility. The first one that I'm going to show you is the foam roller. All right, so this is a smooth foam roller. You could use it throughout the whole body. All right, you can get this, Amazon, Perform Better, they're a great company. It's about anywhere from $18 to $20. So what this does is it acts as a deep tissue massage. If you're sitting all day at a computer desk, think about where your legs are. Okay, so they're stagnant for 6, 7, 8 hours at a clip. You could use this foam roller, which will help relieve some of that pressure that you may be feeling down your legs or often into your lower back. The next tool, which is a little more intense, this foam roller is great entry point. It's called the rumble roller. This is intense. It's kind of a hurt so good type thing, but in all honesty, this really changed my body. Hey, listen, we're all human. We're going to suffer some type of ache, pain, or strain throughout our day. But if you know how to combat that and what you could do to shorten the cycle of injury or pain, I would use it, right? The next one I want to show you is just a regular lacrosse ball. This thing is phenomenal. Obviously, you can pick this up anywhere, any sporting goods store, also Amazon. This thing it's a life changer, all right? It's a game changer. This can really pinpoint specific muscle groups that may, give you more issues than others. So I'm gonna use that sitting analogy. Think about your shoulders being rounded, sitting at your computer desk for hours on end, what that's actually doing to your upper back, neck, and shoulders. So what this is gonna do, it's gonna work deep into the muscle tissue to expand and alleviate a lot of the forward roll, okay? So we wanna be here. Sit up straight, soldier. All right, the next one, this is, my favorite. I actually sleep with this. Is that weird? This is called the SUPERNOVA. It's by Rogue. Phenomenal. It's a lot more intense than the lacrosse ball, just in terms of kind of the texture of it. So it's a little more rigid and really mashes and smashes into that muscle tissue to help with that blood flow and also prevent you from injury. I suffered actually a shoulder injury back in the day that still kind of comes up and haunts me a bit. So what I like to do is actually roll out my lats. Your lats pretty much run, lower rib cage all the way up to underneath the armpit here into the back. So the lats are a very important part of your body. One of your biggest muscle groups. It's great to increase your shoulder mobility. Again, think about it, sitting at that computer desk. You're here, you're deactivating those lats. We want to activate. So in order to activate, we got to get in, loosen it up, so we can eventually get here. I suffered a herniated disc back when I was an absolute meathead, lifting way too heavy a weight, squatting on a Smith machine. That was probably one of the stupidest things I've ever done. But we all have to learn. Sometimes we learn a little harder. So if I don't roll out my upper glutes, my lower back starts getting at me. So these things are awesome. If you guys want any more information on these at all, just comment below and let us know, and we will certainly do a special just on this specific tool and what you can do with it and what muscle groups you can hit.